Hi, this is Kiru. Today I'm answering a question from YouTube comments. How do you go from a spin turn into a drift? I'll explain how I do it in my AWD car. Here's the basic idea. Start at about 14 kilometers an hour, around 25 miles per hour. Let on the throttle and tap the brake if needed. Push the clutch, turn the steering toward the drift. Pull the handbrake, and as soon as it slides, counter steer. At the same time, release the clutch and get on the throttle. With AWD, use right, counter steer and slowly bring back the throttle and steering to control the drift. If this sounds helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is just my way of doing it based on my Impreza with winter tires, car-type tires, and power make a big difference. So adjust based on your setup. Start at about 14 kilometers an hour, around 25 miles per hour. Lift off the throttle. Maybe tap the brake a little. Don't brake too much or you'll lose too much speed. Push clutch. Turn toward the drift. In the video, I turn the wheel a lot with my palm. Don't worry, you don't need to copy that. Pull the handbrake. I recommend using a spinturn knob. It really helps. Start counter steering as soon as you feel it start to slide. Drop the handbrake, release clutch, and get on the throttle. This will start a light drift. Some say too much with the clutch is down, but for me it slides without doing that. If your car has more grip, you might need to wear much. If you counter too much or throttle too hard, you spin the other way. So gently bring back the wheel and edge of the throttle slowly to finish the drift smoothly. There's also a technique called 振り返し, but we're keeping it simple today. So that my way of drifting from a spin turn. Always practice with a drift ready car. If you counter too much or throttle too hard, you spin the other way. So gently bring back the wheel and edge of the throttle slowly to finish the drift smoothly. There's also a technique called 振り返し, but we're keeping it simple today. So that my way of drifting from a spin turn. Always practice with a drift-ready car in a safe, legal place. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe. Stay safe and no crash. Thanks for watching. My name is Kiru. Nice to meet you. I'm from Japan. Do you know Japan? I have been studying English for 3 years. English is very difficult. 네, よろしくね。